Struwwelpeter, Merry Stories and Funny Pictures by Heinrich Hoffman. A Project Gutenberg original, 1848. When the children have been good, that is, be it understood, good at mealtimes, good at play, good all night and good all day, they shall have the pretty things Merry Christmas always brings. Naughty, romping girls and boys tear their clothes and make a noise, spoil their pinafores and frocks, and deserve no Christmas box. Such as these shall never look at this pretty picture book. Shockheaded Peter. Just look at him. There he stands, with his nasty hair and hands. See? His nails are never cut. They are grimed as black as soot. And the sloven, I declare, never once has combed his hair. Anything to me is sweeter than to see shock-headed Peter. Cruel Frederick. Here is cruel Frederick, see. A horrid, wicked boy was he. He caught the flies, poor little things, and then tore off their tiny wings. He killed the birds and broke the chairs, and threw the kitten down the stairs. And oh, far worse than all beside, he whipped his Mary till she cried. The trough was full, and faithful Tray came out to drink one sultry day. He wagged his tail and wet his lip, when cruel Fred snatched up a whip and whipped poor Tray till he was sore, and kicked and whipped him more and more. At this, good Tray grew very red, and growled, and bit him till he bled. Then you should only have been by to see how Fred did scream and cry. So Frederick had to go to bed. His leg was very sore and red. The doctor came and shook his head, and made a very great to-do, and gave him nasty physic too. But good dog Tray is happy now. He has no time to say, bow, wow. He seats himself in Frederick's chair, and laughs to see the nice things there. The soup he swallows, sup by sup, and eats the pies and puddings up. The Story of Little Sucker-Thumb. One day Mamma said, "Conrad, dear, I must go out and leave you here. But mind now, Conrad, what I say, don't suck your thumb while I'm away. The great tall tailor always comes to little boys who suck their thumbs, and ere they dream what he's about, he takes his great sharp scissors out and cuts their thumbs clean off. And then, you know, they never grow again." Mamma had scarcely turned her back. The thumb was in. Alack! Alack! The door flew open. In he ran, the great, long, red-legged scissor-man. "Oh, children, see! The tailor's come and caught out little sucker-thumb. Snip, snap, snip, the scissors go." And Conrad cries out, "Oh, oh, oh, snip, snap, snip." They go so fast that both his thumbs are off at last. Mamma comes home. There Conrad stands and looks quite sad, and shows his hands. "Ah," said Mamma, "I knew he'd come to naughty little sucker-thumb."